All right, guys. So today we're looking at something little, really tiny, and I actually already unboxed it, but my camera didn't go on focus, so I'm doing it again. Anyways, before I show you what it is, this is the iUltra from OLight. And I've actually reviewed a lot of lights from OLight, and they've all been really good. Anyways, few things that comes in the box just so you guys can see. You do get a little readme explaining what to do, how it operates. You get a little thank you card, very cool. And of course, you do get a little manual right here. Now, this is going to be a ridiculously short video for the fact that this is it. This is the little light right here. Yes, very cool. It kind of looks like a spark plug. Yes, little spark plug. But what's cool about it is that this can go on a little keychain for sure if you wanted to put this on a keychain. And also it's just super all in one small portable kind of everyday carry, take with you wherever you want. So first off, you'll see this little piece right here, like right there, and this just lifts up. So even if it's attached to your keys, you just plug it into USB-C and it charges. So that's really nice. And then when you're done, you just flip this up. When she's good, right? She's walked into place. The magnet inside it is really strong. And simply, all this is on this iUltra. And again, these come in about $40, somewhere in that range. All you have to do is pop it off, and there's your light. Right? There's your life. Nice and easy. Right. So now you can kind of fold this around. And what's also really cool with it is that when it comes off, this back end here is a magnet. So if you have anything, like I have something over here, not that I would use it for a studio setup, but let's say you're working on the car or something like that and you need a little bit of extra light, you can just kind of snap this onto something metal. It'll attach to it. I don't know, my scissors are, yeah, see, there you go, right? That's metal. So anything that has a metal to it, I guess, this will attach. And then once you finish, you just pop it off, stitch it back on here. It automatically turns back up, and you can go just charge it whenever you want. Anyways, very cool. I'm not sure if it comes in multiple colors. Of course, this is the green one. But yeah, very nice. I think I will actually attach this to my keys because it is kind of nice having some extra light on occasion when you kind of require it. Anyways, that's it right there. You guys can see it. Again, you just kind of pull it off when you need it. Easy to charge, very convenient, and that's it. That's the OLight Eye Ultra, and for 40 bucks, you want something to attach to your keychain, throw in your pocket, whatever. That's cool. All right, guys, I'll put links down below if you're interested, and that's all for this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in a couple days.